You're watching Lit right here on the HD Productions Original Series Network.
Take a brief moment and head over to YouTube and type in HD Productions Network. Subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the show. Previously on Lit.
Watch where the fuck you going, nigga.
Bitch, you watch where the fuck you going.
Chill out, bro. Chill out.
Bitch.
Chill out. Chill out.
You got like that.
Wait. Bring up. Chill. Motherfucking bitch.
Fuck
out,
you,
bitch.
It ain't all serious.
Here's her baby bag. Everything's in it. Don't let everybody touch it, okay?
Got you. Alright. You know I got it. See you later. It's stopping my money flow. That's what it's doing, man. How is that? What you mean, how is that? I mean, you booking him for shit that I'm supposed to be booked for. My name is already on previously. Now I'm figuring out shit. It ain't even my shit no more. That's his shit. Well, shit. Maybe you need to polish up. No, maybe I'm just gonna quit.
And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Episode 6 of Lit, the series.
Yeah, this he. Yes, sir. What type of job is it? Yeah, I'm okay. We'll get a temp job. What time? Alright, I'll be there. Alright, thank you. Hello? Yeah, this is he. Yeah, meet me at the house. Alright.
She was more than a woman, a goddess for all to see. And all I ever needed was her right here loving me. For a while we were cool, then the grooving of love was on. But I can still remember, yeah, how it felt when our love was gone.
Oh, what's up? Kaylin, right? Yeah. Hey, what's going on? You can have a seat right here. Yeah, I think I've seen you before. You know, think I followed you or something on like Snapchat or something like that.
Okay. So you a follower. So what, you wanted a picture or something like that?
Boy, you got me fucked up for real.
Nigga.
You really got me fucked up, really though. Like, the fuck?
My nigga, you really not about that life, so you should chill out a little bit.
Who the fuck is you talking to, dog?
A fan?
Boy, you got me fucked up. You really gotta go. You got to go.
You was mad. Yo, chill. Where'd you going?
Home, where I belong.
You supposed to finish my cut though.
Ain't gotta do shit but stay black and die.
Yo, nigga, where are you going?
Bro, I'm going home. The fuck?
I guess I'm coming with you then.
No. We have like a no pet policy there, so.
If y'all got a no pet policy, how the fuck they let bitches like you get past the gates every day?
Man, who the fuck is you talking to, man? You know what? Get the fuck out my shop, for real. Cause I ain't with none of that. Nah, for real. You can get the fuck out my shop. There go the exit though, right there.
Or what? Nigga, I'm just playing. Come on, finish my haircut. Let's go. Excuse me. Damn.
You'll be alright.
Mad as fuck back there.
Nah, for real, nigga, we in this bitch, man. Me and Cruise in this bitch, thanking them motherfuckers. Amazing. Nah, for real.
My weed so loud, hey, you choking? Nah, for real. I get money on the daily, cut that check. Nah, for real. Nah, for real. To be the boss, I pay my dues. Nah, for real. 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 Nah, my weed so loud, hey, you choking? Nah, for real. Get money on the daily, cut that check. Nah, for real. Nah, for real. To be the boss, I pay my dues. Nah, for real. Man, I get it. Nah, for real. Man, I'm with it. Nah, for real. I get it. These niggas can't really take me. I get it, I finished. That's why these niggas love to hate me. So when I come through like a tornado, I do it gracefully. Throw a stack up in your face, and yes, I do it blatantly. Give a bitch your all, and with time, they become so fake to me. Time about you wanna make a take with me, but can't even come face to face with me. Real, recognize real. Yeah, what? I ain't seeing you, cause all this money that I got, see, it's so plentiful. Can't come for me, cause I ain't sent for you, and I'ma smash the beat. So why you bragging, boo? Cause you ain't get to the money like I thought you do. Looking around like, who the fuck you talking to?
See today's clown.
Cause I ran up on the check twice.
I know somebody that like that shit though.
Who? Marlo?
You fucked me over. With some little fuckboy on Instagram, some little hoe ass nigga on Instagram, you fucked me over. You decided you wanted to up and move away. Miami, right?
That's my fault, though.
Bitch, what the fuck did you just say? And what was the name that you said? Cause it didn't come out right. If I heard what the fuck I did.
You heard very well. Marlo. I always wondered who it was taking up my man's time.
Who the fuck are you? And what did you say your name was again?
Xavier, you know, X the barber, or just X, you know, something like what you are now and what I'll never be.
Oh, at X marks the thought, right?
No, it's X marks the spot.
Same difference. You was the Instagram hoe that was basically blowing up my nigga phone.
It's me in the flesh.
Yeah. So what was this? Some type of setup? Like a real setup? A fucking setup? Wow. Yo, you really need to want more of life, sweetie. You really do.
You know, I just had to see you for myself. Now that I see you, you're nothing but tattoos, bad cheek cologne, and a fuckboy haircut. Pretty much.
Oh, the fuckboy haircut you just put on my head.
Yeah.
Little girl. Yo, what's up? The same way you got that nigga is gonna be the same way you lose him. So, my card at. Here, pay for my shit, and we can kill all of that.
Well, it looks like your card declined.
It wasn't declined. Where my phone at? I heard the notification go off. Play yourself, Joey.
Well, you have a fucked up day, okay? Okay.
All right.
We will return for the second half of Lit the Series after these messages.
How does this make you feel?
I just feel so in the dark.
Well, aren't you having an affair as well?
Don't you think I know that?
I'm sorry.
I want my husband back.
Just one more night.
I have to go. Seriously? You need to go.
You're one lying, sick, twisted sicko. You know that?
You one fucked up individual. Do you know what you done? Let me go, man, before I whoop this bitch.
HD Productions Network presents 2020 The Series.
Me and
that you're my best friend. I'm always here for you, but you never take the time to ask me how I feel, how's your day going, like what's going on in your life. But I'm always there for you. You know my nigga Anthony?
Anthony? Yeah, I fucked your cousin, my nigga, and that nigga fucked me. So what's up?
Got you. I'm always here. I promise.
Join us again for an all-new episode of 2020 The Series, coming New Year's Day.
And now, the second half of Lit the Series, already in progress.
What the fuck you all me for? You don't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you.
I'm really not here for all of that today.
What's
Talking
up?
about my best friend.
What about him?
Found this pill bottle. Full.
What pill bottle?
Ain't you this dude? You don't know?
The pills that you take for bipolar.
Yeah. I mean, you know he kind of be going through some shit. So, episodes and getting crazy and shit like that. So, seeing the pill bottle full meaning he ain't taking. But you know that.
Nah. I thought you had it the whole time.
Well, that's why I hit you up. I need to find him. I need to see. I need to figure out where he at. I didn't know who else to call. I thought he was still here with you.
Since the last time me and got into it, I haven't heard from him at all.
I didn't know y'all got into it.
Nah, when we stopped talking, like, I found out he cheating on me, so like, it was over.
All right, well.
If I get in contact with him, or I hit you up. If you do the same, hit me up, all right?
All right. Thank you.
My heart out the door, I won't say a word. They've all been said before, you know, so why don't we just play pretend like we're not scared of what is coming next, or scared of having nothing left. Look, don't get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you, hold me like
I'm enjoying you though.
I'm more
I'm enjoying you too.
than
That's
just
what's up. That's what's up. Also, I wanted to tell you I'm happy that you came down to my club. Lit.
Of course it's lit. You already know that. Stop playing with me.
Always lit. When I'm on the team, it's gonna be lit.
Man, whatever. You gonna stay on my team.
That's up.
Yeah. And I need you on my other team as well.
And what team is that?
Shit. Team us.
Oh, it's Team Us now.
It been Team Us when I called you down here. You knew that.
Oh, that's so.
Come on, stop playing with me. You gonna stay down with me?
I'm always down for you.
You gonna get this money?
We're gonna get this money. We're gonna get this bread.
And what else?
Huh?
And what else?
You tell me.
in your eyes, and I'm sure my eyes, they speak for me. No one knows me like you do, and since you're the only one,
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometimes, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Oh, just the two of us. Building castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is, and it don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come to those who wait, not to those who wait too late. We got to go for all we know. Oh, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Oh, just the two of us, building castles in the sky.
Only broken hearted, life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely. Broken hearted, it's a hurting thing to get over.
Hey, Nehemiah, this Quan.
I know we ended things on a bad note and everything. I just want to call you and apologize about it. I put my hands up on you. I heard about what happened at the club and all, so whenever you get this message, just give me a call back. I just want to check up on you now. And I know you haven't been taking your medicine, so please give me a call back. I'm very concerned about it. I love you.
That's why I thought if I took my time, that everything in love would be right.
So as soon as I close my
I need 10 grand. And I'm trying to see if you down with me, my nigga. Shit, I got offered a club in Dallas, bro. We can go out there and kill it, my nigga. Shit, everybody know us, bro.
Right.
So I mean, shit, what you want to do?
Man, you know I got you. You talking for real? You serious about what you saying?
Listen, we can meet with them next Friday, bro.
Okay.
At 5:30 in Dallas. We can catch a flight, make it do what it do.
All right, I got you. You know I got you.
Oh shit.
Come on, come here. All right.
Where you to come home, man?
Come back later.
Why?
Ain't a good time.
Why, somebody in here?